Hi everyone, I'm Wendy, and today I'm making a California blend creamy potato soup. This is another one of my mom's creations. It was inspired by an old crock pot soup that she used to eat that had California blend vegetables and Velveeta cheese. But we're going to be taking the dairy and the junk out and instead making a creamy potato version. I'll be making it in my 6-quart Instant Pot today, but if you don't have an Instant Pot, you could use a crock pot or cook it on the stovetop. The full recipe will be linked in the details below the video. The soup starts with potatoes. I'm using a 32-ounce bag of frozen potatoes. Usually frozen potatoes have oil, salt, and sugar added, but these are just potatoes, and I found them at Walmart. I try to use organic as much as possible, so when I can find them, I'll use these organic potatoes instead, but they come in 16-ounce bags, so I would use 2 of them. But if I can't find the organic, I don't stress about it, I just use the regular potatoes. Of course, you could also use fresh potatoes and peel and chop them yourself. My mom usually uses about 6 to 8 Yukon Gold potatoes, but russet potatoes would work as well. Next, you'll add either 1 large chopped onion, or again, I'm using some help from the freezer. A 10 or 12-ounce bag should be fine. My mom always prefers purple onion though, so she usually uses a fresh onion that she chopped. Then the California blend vegetables. You can use any 10 or 12-ounce bag that you can find. This one has broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and zucchini. Some brands may have slightly different variations of that. Next is 1.5 cups of yellow split peas that I've rinsed really well. And then we have all of the spices. I have 1 teaspoon of marjoram, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of a salt substitute, I'm using Stardust from Well Your World, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then either some fresh garlic or a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I'm adding 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and finally 7 cups of water. I'll stir to mix that up a little bit and then put the lid on and cook it at high pressure for 16 minutes. When it's done cooking, I let the Instant Pot do a natural release, but if you needed to, you could do a quick release. And then I'll use an immersion blender to blend it till it's nice and creamy. This soup is great with some homemade rustic bread. This is my mom's whole wheat bread recipe that I shared with you several weeks ago. I'll put a link with that recipe in the details below the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more whole food plant-based meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.